By using a suitable substitution, solve the equation 2x minus 3 squared minus 4 over 2x minus 3 whole squared minus 3 equals 0. Alright, whenever I have any question that requires us to solve using substitution, I always try and look for the most complex term first. So in this case, the most complex term in this equation is 2x minus 3 squared. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a variable. So let 2x minus 3 whole squared be equal to the variable a. Now, we are going to substitute 2x minus 3 squared with this new variable. We will get a minus 4 over a minus 3 equals 0. So now we have a new equation, and we can solve this equation, which is much simpler. I am seeing a denominator, and that is a complication, and we want to reduce complications. One way is by making a common denominator. So we want a denominator a here and a denominator a here, so that we can do a sum of the numerators. In order to have common denominators, we can try this approach. So the first term is a. We can multiply a to both the numerator and the denominator. That way, it is equivalent to the previous expression. Next, we'll take minus 4 over a, and we will do the same trick over here. 3 times a over a. And the whole thing equals 0. We can just write that as a. And on the top, we will do a squared minus 4 minus 3a. The whole thing is 0. We'll now move a to the right, and when anything is multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. So we'll be left with a squared minus 4 minus 3a equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we can solve this using middle term factorization. We can see that we can split negative 3a into negative 4a and positive a. And here we used middle term factorization. Now I did do this mentally because it came to me through practice, and that is something that you should be able to do as well, to be able to do such small factorizations in your head. If you need more practice, I will be linking my middle term factorization video somewhere, so go and look at those, and hopefully it will help. Now here we can take a as common, and we get a minus 4. And then in here we can take 1 as common, and we left with a minus 4. Next we can take a minus 4 common, and we're left with a plus 1. And the whole thing is 0. Now either a minus 4 is 0, or a plus 1 is 0. So this implies that a equals 4, or a equals minus 1. Now we are going to replace a with whatever it was that we substituted it with. So replace a with 2x minus 3 squared. That will give us 2x minus 3 squared equals 4. We can take a square root on both sides, and we get 2x minus 3 equals plus or minus root 4. That would imply that 2x minus 3 equals plus 2, or 2x minus 3 equals minus 2. So x equals 5 over 2, or x equals 1 over 2. Now we have another solution where 2x minus 3 squared equals negative 1. Now if you look at this closely, the square of a term cannot be negative. As a result, this is not applicable. So we are left with only one answer, and that is x equals 5 over 2, or 1 over 2.